Hello everybody, welcome to Snyder's Inc. Today we got a reaction video from boy Chills. This is top 5 scary videos filmed by Doorbell Camera. We'll get right into this. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's go.
Number 5. What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019.
This is a family during I don't know what a tick fire. I don't know what a tick fire thing is. So that might have to be educated. I might have to be educated on that in the comments. Please, someone does let me know. I need to know. I'm curious what happened there. So if you can give me information, I'd love to know. But this is a family in the middle. If it's a fire thing, this family's in the middle of just getting the hell out of there. They're doing what's right. They're like, nah, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta get out. This looks insane in the background here. This looks scary as shit. Smoke everywhere. You got this light up. Well, they got all smoky and fire. Holy shit. There's some shit going on over there. Wow, this looks terrifying to be living in.
The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home. People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached.
This is a family evacuating. This is the little girls, the kids realizing how scary of a situation this is. This is, look at this. It's spread. It's like it's a fire that's just being whooshed onto each house. It's not even because usually for a fire, it has to burn most of the house and then transition on. This is just, it's just moving from house to house to house, and they got no time to prepare. This is fucking terrifying.
Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily,
what is this fucker doing?
No one was hurt in this.
What is this person doing? The person in the black t-shirt and that, sitting outside just staring at it. Bitch, I don't care if you're a guy or a girl. Bitch, you gotta get your fucking ass somewhere.
Video, and this family's home was miraculously saved. Number 4. It's everyone's worst nightmare, a home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Sorry, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you? Go it. Run.
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Somebody's got the back door, dude. Yo. For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I'm not joking, dude.
I know I see a light.
Okay, I let that one play out because I want to see what happened there. The balls on this intruder to go, didn't mean to run into your house. Bitch, you didn't run into the house. You slipped on in there, slyly as can be, with them screaming, "What do you need?" Someone following, someone was there. Did you look to see if someone was there? Or did you see a house and just go, "That's the one"? Didn't think about it. Did they? There's a whole gang of people, like whole family there ready to beat your ass. What an absolute moron. Lucky he didn't get caught. He's lucky he didn't get. He's lucky he didn't get his ass kicked by this family. He's lucky he got away. That's all I'm gonna say. If he got away with there, he better hope he don't come back. He come back, beating his ass.
Number 3. You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker.
Oh no, you're too sus. No, this guy's way too sus. There was so much sus about him, like, I would not think construction worker by any means. I think this guy has a problem in his something going on. No, I wouldn't think he's sus as hell. You sus, bro. You need to get up out of get away from this house, and do something productive with your life, because this ain't gonna be it. Get up out of here.
He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove, no prints. Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime. Then he calls someone on the radio.
What's hilarious is this guy's doing this while. Has this guy not noticed this camera? Is this guy oblivious to this camera? This dude is walking and staring directly at this camera multiple times. Has this person not noticed this camera? How good are doorbell cameras hidden? Like, I actually want to know. I don't have one. I live in an apartment, so. But I just want to know. Someone let me know. How good are they hidden? Because this would be like, this guy stared at this camera like multiple times. How has he not seen this?
His partner arrives. Armed with the tools to break in. In short order, they try and force the door. But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away. And triggering an alarm. Number 2.
That's all it took. That's all it took. This guy just says, "Get away from the door," and they're like, "All right, we're gonna listen to this man. We're gonna listen up in here. We're not gonna argue with this man. This man clearly knows better than we do. Clearly knows what he's talking about. This is his home. We're gonna if he says get away, we should get away. We shouldn't continue to break into this house. You are two grown ass men. Even if there's one guy in there, you still could handle him. Like, I guess he could be armed or something, but you don't know if he's there. I guess you don't know if he's there, but you were so dead certain before, just because no one answered the door. So like, I'm just saying, I find it weird. That's all it took.
2.
Oh, I've seen this video so many times. These two are absolutely ridiculous, bro. These two's got some balls on these two. To try what they try. That's almost like the balls on these two to try what they try to get them to come out is ridiculous.
Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this? These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
Here's what I love. This man saw a camera. This man knows there's a camera there. Why is he not trying to hide the fact? Why did he not try looking like a cop? He couldn't have done anything to make himself. These two men couldn't have done anything to make themselves at least believable in police. No police officer's gonna dress like this. This is criminal. This is I want to rob you look. This is not I want to talk to you. I'm a police officer look. At least try. Put some effort into it.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick. He tries again.
I'm gonna give him. I'm giving this homeowner credit because I've seen so many people. Just like someone knock on a door, they'll answer because they want to know what's going on. There are people who have this but don't look at doorbell camera, but don't even look at it. They just open the door. It just instantly open the door. It's not smart. It's not smart at all. Best thing to do. Oh, if you have one of these, is fucking use it. Don't care what time it is. Don't care if you're even expecting someone. Make sure it's that person. Don't do that. Don't be watching for dipshits like this.
At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the US average. There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019. They try knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way. Finally, they give up, and they walk away empty-handed.
What should have been made? You should have. You should have kept communicating with them at this point. You kept communicating with them, or told police to hurry there. Don't turn sirens on. So they would be oblivious to police being on the way, and all they find out is that all they would think is something's going on. I try to come up with something to make sure they are still there when police arrive. I guess you can't really do much, but still.
Number 1. A tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
Bro, that sounds terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. I don't like that at all. Holy shit, that sounds absolutely terrifying what I just witnessed. Me don't like that at all. Holy crap. That would scare the hell out of me to be. I don't want to be in a tornado ever. So hopefully I never have to. But we'll get to decide how nature works. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Comment what you think down below. Subscribe to Chills. The link to the original video will be in the description below. If you have a suggestion for what I should react to, let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all for the next one.